I came to yoga multiple times in my life, looking for answers, looking for a change. I first started practicing yoga more than 20 years ago as I attended physical therapy school in the middle of another cold Canadian winter in a yoga hot room. I found the practice left me feeling connected and calm. Over time, my practice ebbed and flowed. Yet, anytime I faced a major change, I found myself coming back to my practice. A job change, a relationship change, a big move would all lead me back to yoga somehow. As I continued my work as a physical therapist, I started to notice different body symptoms within myself and within my clients. Different emotions or grief that would show up as body symptoms. And I became more and more curious of the mind-body connection. When I attended my first yoga teacher training, I began to see that I was getting a lot of answers to questions I had. I also learned many personal lessons, to trust myself more deeply, to turn towards self-compassion. And that growth is a continual journey. I hope during my class that you find a sense of acceptance, a deep gratitude and joy for your body, and a trust that you have all that you need to become the person you're destined to be. My name is Turrentine, and I cannot wait to practice with you on Interdimension TV.